The future of EV charger maintenance is here. It introduces a revolutionary diagnostic solution that transforms charging station service and maintenance. In the world of EV infrastructure, critical challenges persist. Frequent site visits, mounting operational costs, and complex technical requirements for on-site engineers. Now, there's a breakthrough solution. Autel revolutionizes EV charger maintenance with an industry-first approach. One tablet, complete diagnostics. No more multiple devices or complicated equipment, just one powerful solution in your hands. Instant fault code matching eliminates guesswork. Our advanced system quickly identifies issues and provides precise diagnostic information, reducing diagnostic time from hours to minutes. When issues arise, reporting couldn't be simpler. With just one click, operators can instantly submit fault reports and receive immediate solution recommendations, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. See every detail with multi-view diagnostics: external structure, internal layout, heat distribution, and hardware topology. Pinpoint issues with component-level analysis for faster, more accurate repairs. Remote support when you need it most. Remote experts provide real-time professional guidance, connecting technicians with specialists for fast troubleshooting and step-by-step guidance. Whether resolving complex faults or performing routine maintenance, expert help is just a tap away. Multi-role access ensures that maintenance engineers, site managers, and operation managers each have the tools they need. Combined with an extensive knowledge base, smart FAQs, and seamless language translation, we break barriers and streamline EV charger maintenance like never before. Visual maintenance guidance eliminates the learning curve. Step-by-step instructions and clear visuals ensure accurate repairs every time, minimizing the need for specialized training. Generate detailed maintenance reports automatically. Every action, diagnostic step, and performance metric is documented with precision, ensuring seamless tracking and compliance. Eliminate repeat visits with precise spare parts management and preventative plans. Remote diagnostics identify exactly what you need before site visits, while inventory tracking prevents shortages and predictive maintenance helps prevent future failures. Enhanced by artificial intelligence, the system continuously learns and evolves. Advanced AI algorithms empower real-time vehicle recognition and data collection, improving charger vehicle compatibility, predicting potential issues before they occur, while intelligent analysis provides automated diagnostic recommendations and optimizes maintenance strategies. Built on the universal OCPP protocol, our solution evolves with industry. Our platform aims to support all major charging networks, continuously expanding an upgradable system to meet tomorrow's charging infrastructure needs. Autel's comprehensive diagnostic solution, transforming EV charger maintenance through intelligent diagnostics, real-time expert support, and AI-powered predictive solutions. Join us in shaping the next era of EV infrastructure.